This may not be profitable. This may not be profitable. This may be profitable. This may not be profitable. This may not be profitable. This may be profitable. This may be profitable. So if you're judging yourself at the end of each month, you're going to go through the oscillations. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and you're going to burn yourself out. One of the best ways to dampen the oscillations is to expand the time horizons. So instead of thinking month to month, week to week, day to day, get that out your mind entirely. Measure yourself at the end of every quarter. Do a quarterly review. And judge your results at the end of the year. I had a guy when I was in Portugal that I caught up with, that was part of the 12-week program. And he asked me, Pat, I made 30% last year. What's wrong with me? I said, 30%? That's pretty damn good. Which is. Most great banks and investments out there won't make 30%. But because in his mind he had a fantasy of making 10% a month, and he was comparing his results to that fantasy, which doesn't exist, it's only there for marketing, he couldn't appreciate the results he had. 30% on $1 million capital is very good. Be very successful with that. So be careful of what type of expectations you're setting on your results. What I encourage you to do is don't set outcome-based expectations. Measure yourself quarterly so you can do some sort of review, and then have a look at your results at the end of the year. Give yourself or give your edge time to play out. It's really important. Any questions on that? I guarantee each of you will probably be judging yourself every week, every month.
Yes.
Yep. If not every day. It's too short-term thinking. I was going to put a picture of the S&P. Go and have a look at the S&P, or go and have a look at Berkshire Hathaway, whatever the company's called, and you have a look on the weekly chart. Their stock chart looks something like this. Over the last 52 years. They're net positive, but if you're judging yourself every month or every year, then you're going through oscillations. You're very happy when you're doing good. You're very sad when you're doing poorly. What you need to do is you need to extract the mean. The mean is the center point. And guess what? This is the mean of your results. When you're above the mean, you have to manage expectations and find the drawbacks. When you're below the mean, you have to find the benefits, manage expectations. Again, above. And guess what this is called? This is called extracting meaning out of your life. So don't set unrealistic expectations on your results. Don't get over-elated when you're doing well, because you'll get depressed when you're doing poorly in your mind. But both are just necessary revolutions around a central mean. And you have the tools now to be able to manage that, so please use them. But expand your time horizons. Think quarter to quarter, and only look at your results at the end of the year.